I'm Anil Kumar, and we'll play around with fractions having unequal denominator to understand them better. Here's a very interesting question. It says, write 7 over 12 as sum of three fractions with unequal denominator. So what I mean to say is that 7 over 12 should be written as combination of three fractions, right? So plus something, and when you add these three fractions with different denominators, then you should get 7 over 12. So that is the question. How can you do it? Think about it. Well, here is a very simple way of doing it. Let me show you the method. So we have 7 over 12. We could write 12 as the common denominator. Okay. Now 7. How do you get 7? Let's add three numbers to get 7. For example, it could be 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7, right? So we get 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is 7. So that is 7 over 12, right? Now you can write this as 1 over 12 plus 2 over 12 plus 4 over 12. Now these are with the same denominator, but you can simplify and find equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions will be 1 over 12, right? Plus, you can divide both by 2. If you divide both by 2, you get 1 over 6. You could write this as 1 over 6 plus 4 over 12. You could divide both by 4, getting 1 over 3. So if you add 1 over 12, 1 over 6 and 1 over 3, what do you get? You get 7 over 12. So that is how you can solve these questions. And this will also help you to understand the reverse way. That is, if you are given a question like this, how to add them up? Common denominator, right? So when you want to make a common denominator, write equivalent fractions with same common multiple of denominator, which is 12, and then go back and get the answer, right? So we'll do one more question like this, and I hope that will give you some more insight to working with fractions having unequal denominators. Thank you.